against their part. So they expected to toe the party line. So and we cannot see that it was secret ballot. And some people would argue also that the secret ballot is not a good idea because it doesn't give voters the chance to see how their representatives vote so that they can hold them accountable. Right?
So, my apologies for interrupting you, Zakhele. I just want to turn the attention of our viewers to the screen as we now see violent scenes playing out in the KwaZulu-Natal provincial legislature there. Members of the Umkhonto weSizwe party getting violent there with the police who's been trying to get them out of the legislature. All of that while we have our reporter Nkosikona Malinga Mnisi there. I believe he's got the premier with him at the moment. Nkosikona, if you can hear me, it seems it has gone violent in the KZN legislature.